All right, time to take a look at the soldering iron kit. Oh, that's cool. So I've never actually seen that before. This actually has a silicone container to put over top of it, so you don't have to worry about this thing burning anything. You just put this guy right on top, and kind of safe. I wouldn't call it safe, but safer. It's pretty cool. It does have a digital display, 110 volts, 90 watts. So this is a fairly high power soldering iron. And I do really like this rubber texture right here on the grip. That is nice. Can see it comes with a pointed tip, and we got a handful of extra tips. So we got a chisel tip, we got a soaking tip, a couple soaking tips, and 2 more pointed tips. It does come with a stand and a sponge. There we go. And we got some flux and some solder. And this is in fact a malleable type of flux, so we can actually take that and scrape that where we need it. Wow, that actually heats up real quick. Okay, so yeah, let's go with 360. Cool, that's nice. So I just want to pre-tin it, make sure that we are good and protected. Cool. Yeah, it works. Right there, we got a couple of nice joints. So even for tiny work like that, it's going to work no problem. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice kit.